material in the ETABS 2026 version. Let's go to define material properties. In it, these are some default material properties been added by the software itself. We have to add our new material properties. Then go to add new material. Then here choose region India, material type concrete, standard Indian, and choose grade as M20 and hit OK. We will be directed to a material property data page. Here, the properties are being taken as the default by the software. Directly hit OK. Your material properties has been added as M20. Now adding another material of the rebar. Choose as a region India, material type as the rebar, standard Indian, grade of concrete as HYSD grade 500 and hit OK. Here the same way the below data is taken as a default from the software. We don't have to change these properties. Then hit OK and we will be directed directly as the material properties has been applied and hit OK. Like this you can apply the material properties. That's it.